How do I protect a residential battery from water intrusion? If the battery fails to work due to water intrusion, possibly the installation position is inappropriate, the cable connection is poor, or a cable is damaged. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. Perform the power-off operations in the sequence as shown in the figure. Check whether water stains exist on the battery surface and nearby wall. If yes, relocate or raise the battery. Check whether waterproof rubber plugs are tightly installed on the battery. Check whether a sealing rod is installed for the waterproof rubber plug on the COM port at the bottom of the battery. If not, rainwater may seep into the product. Check whether the communications cable is a standard cable for the product. Check whether the port cannot be sealed because the cable diameter is too large or too small. Check whether the diameter of the sealing rod for the waterproof rubber plug on the COM port at the bottom of the battery is the same as the hole diameter of the waterproof rubber plug. If not, rainwater may seep into the product. Check whether the sheath of the battery communications cable is damaged. If yes, rainwater may seep into the product. After ensuring that the cable connection is correct, power on the system in the specified sequence and check whether the fault is cleared. If the fault persists, contact Huawei technical support.